Good evening to all the community members. So first of all, I would like to start off with the quote, readers are leaders. So I would like to thank universe for helping me to manifest my dreams, because it was there in my bucket list to kickstart my reading journey. And Akash has been a wonderful, wonderful organizer. He's very precise, very accurate. I love the way PDF, the which content he brings, it aligns with whatever everyone is looking for. So thank you so much, Akash, for that. And I would like to thank all the community members, because whenever everyone speaks up their opinion, their perception, then I used to keep wondering, "Oh, why didn't I think like Sandeep sir, or why didn't I think like Sai?" That opened up. It was like bulb on moment for me. So it was very nice. And what I learned, even though I joined from day 5, so I could read only Atomic Habits and 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Uh, from that, I could understand that everyone has that leadership qualities, and a mentor or a coach like Akash can help us enable to tap that potential within us. So that he is a leader and he is creating more such leaders. So it enabled my leadership qualities, and I believe that yes, I can also become. And we don't have to be a competitor. That is one of the beautiful things which I liked from 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, that the opponent person can be a complement. Identify the person's strength and work along with him, rather than considering him as your competitor. So that was one of the very strongest takeaway for me. And from Atomic Habits, I learned a circle of influence versus concerns, and how our belief system first, the foundation should be strong, then we can build second floor, third floor, 10th floor. So belief system has to be strong, then we have to create a habit, then we can look for an outcome. But rather now the people are doing the reverse. So author very nicely, he says, change the direction, definitely you will get the outcome you're looking. It is a byproduct, you will get it naturally. And what I would like to say for the new joiners who will be joining the community is, this is a wonderful platform, because Akash gives opportunity, time, space for everyone, and he guides you like a compass. He gives you direction. It is very. You just have like biryani, sab kuch ho gaya, bas खाना hai. It was like that for me. Okay, so it was wonderful, and now this generation is in digital era. This platform enables you to become a reader era or a book era. Let's put that energy, and let's welcome more such people to the community, so that they'll also understand that yes, we can also become a leader, we can also read. Because during our traveling, most of our traveling time is a lot. So when we have a book, it is equal to a friend. Somebody had one of my team member has told that. So I would say, for me, I don't have much time in life. So instead of taking 100 people's experience and understanding, okay, ye karna hai, ye nahi karna hai, it is equal to one book, because it is a culmination of all the successful people. They have culminated and given that formula in the book. Just that you have to read it. And what enables you to read, or what destroys your procrastination, is platform like this. And thank you so much, Akash, for this wonderful platform. I really enjoy, and I welcome all the new joiners to join this. Utilize this platform 100%. It will definitely transform. One point will definitely hit you that, okay, this is what I have to work, your area of weakness, or you discover a new Nusha, new Sandeep. So this is it. Thank you.